Hello friends, welcome to another learning video from Wishlens. Today we will learn how to use angel broking app and how can we trade shares through this digitally advanced app. For that, first you need to download the app. It's available for both Android users and for iPhone users. With more than 5 million downloads, Angel Broking app is the most preferred app among all the other brokers. Angel Broking is a well-established company with 22 years of trustful relationship. Such a long historical experience with integrated artificial intelligence helps Angel Broking to provide most accurate investment recommendation for its clients. Angel Broking is also known for its enhanced digital experiences. Firstly, install the app to your phone. Click on the app icon to open the application. When you open for the first time, the app will ask you to set your preferred language to complete the setup process. You may choose from English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati or other available regional languages. In this demo, I will choose English as our language. Click on Proceed button to continue. Now you will be given an option to either log in or to sign up. As your 2-in-1 Demat and trading account is already activated, your user ID and password must have been delivered on your registered mobile number. If you haven't activated your trading account yet, please message me on my WhatsApp number or click on the below link in the description of the video to open and activate a free trading account. Click on the login button to continue. Now you will be taken to a login window. As you can see, the window has multiple options. You can choose to log in using your user ID or using your registered email address. You also have an option to reset your password if you have forgotten your password. Remember, your Demat and trading account is as important as any other bank account. Thus, it will automatically log out every time you exit from the app. You need to re-enter the login credentials to access the app again. If you feel login every time with a user ID and password is difficult, then you may create a mobile PIN number or a fingerprint login access from this window. Enter your login details and click login button to enter into the app. When you successfully log in, a screen with index information is shown to you. I hope you remember what is an index and how is it calculated. We discussed this in our previous video. If you don't remember what an index is or not watched that video about index calculation, then please watch it now. I have given the link to that video on I button. So when you log in, this window will show you the latest performance of indexes like Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty. When you click on any of these indexes, the companies listed under each index is shown below as a list with its last traded price. If you swipe your screen from right to left, you can see more in-depth market information on each segment like top gainers and losers in equity, heat map in future and options, and even latest market news which create market sentiments. We also learned that market sentiments plays a very vital role in deciding the share prices and their market performances. So it is important for you to understand and read the news updated in this window. Now let's learn more about the major tabs which is on the bottom of the screen. First one is called watchlist. Watchlist is a customized list of companies based on your preferences. It's just like the playlist of your songs in your music app. Then we have a portfolio tab. This is your Demat account window. All your purchased stocks and other financial instruments like mutual funds, bonds or future and options are saved in portfolio. Order tab. All your buy and sell orders reflected under this tab with their status on execution. Then we have funds. Funds tab shows your current available balance in your trading account. This tab also helps you to add funds from your saving account to your trading account. And also you can withdraw your profit from trading account to your savings account from funds tab. Last tab is research tab. Investment recommendation generated by Angel's system using artificial intelligence and high accurate algorithms are shown under this tab. Now let's go one by one in detail. Please click on the watch list. By default, few accounts are selected in your watch list. Click and hold on any account symbol to delete or rearrange the watch list orders. I'm deleting all the companies from this current watch list to start a fresh list. Click on the bin icon and then click on the done button to delete all the accounts from this list. Now the watch list is empty. Let's create a new one. To create a new watch list, in the search field, type a preferred company name. For example, I'm searching for ICICI and select from the search results. Now it will show me an option of multiple ICICI trading instruments. You can note the different headers in black colors like cash, future and options. Instruments under cash headers are the real stocks, while future and option headers shows different contracts which can also be traded like shares. These are not real stocks but called as derivative of stocks. We will do another video in detail to explain what are derivatives and what are futures and options. I will select ICICI NSE stock from cash header. Remember, whenever you are selecting a stock or an equity, you have to select it from the cash header. Now the new watch list is having only ICICI Bank stock information for NSE. You can add up to 50 accounts in each watch list based on your interest and knowledge. The last traded price or the LTP is shown against each symbol. You may notice some numbers below the LTP. This is the comparison of last trade price with previous day's closed price. It mentioned in both absolute value and in percentage. The blue or green arrows shows positive growth or price increase, while red arrows shows negative growth or price drop of the shares compared to previous day's closed price. We are comparing all our current trading prices versus previous day's closed price. We will understand what is closed price in few minutes. We have just updated the My Watch list. You may add 4 more watch lists in your Angel Broking app. For that, click on Add Watch List button and create new list by providing a new name to your watch list. Remember, you need to synchronize the watch list between mobile app and website each time you create a new list. Once it is created, it will be shown right to the My Watch List tab on the top. Now that you are ready with your preferred list of companies, let's start trading. Let's see how to buy and how to sell the shares of these companies. For that, click on the company symbol which you would like to trade, buy or sell from your watch list. A new window is now open with the detailed information of that company's stock. A table shows how many active buy orders are in the market and what is the total sell orders that is active in the market at that particular time. Analyzing this table will help you to determine the demand and supply for that particular stock at that particular time. You can also access the current stock performances by clicking on the chart option or stock detail link. We will do another video which will explain how to read the charts. Now please give attention to the alphabets below, which is O, H, L and C. These values has to be evaluated before you buying the stocks. So what are these alphabets stands for? O stands for open price. Open price is the price of a stock at which the first executed trade happened in a given time of interval. For an example, if I'm taking a day as a time of interval, the first trade happened on that particular day is called open price. H stands for highest price. Highest price at which a stock is traded in a given time of interval. Again, if I'm taking an example of a day, what was the highest price at which a stock is traded during that day is called highest price. The L stands for lowest price. Is the lowest price at which a stock is traded in a given time of interval. C means closed price. Price of a stock in the last executed trade in a given time of interval is called closed price. Now when you are analyzed all these components, let's place a buy order. For that, click on buy button. This will open a new window. This is called order window. Let's try to understand what all informations are in order window. Top left corner shows company symbol and exchange information. Please ensure you selected a correct company symbol from the right exchange. The exchanges are NSE or BSE. Then top right corner shows last trade price and its comparison with the previous day's closed price. Next field is to enter the total quantity of shares that you would like to buy. Once you enter the total quantities, now enter your desired price for each share. Remember, if you select limit as your order type, then only you can enter the price manually. If you choose market, the trade will be executed at whatever is the market price for that particular share at that particular time. I suggest you to keep it always limit and decide your trading price. So such orders will be called as limit orders. But if you choose market, the order will be executed at market price and that will be called as market order. Next is product type. There are three types of product: delivery, intraday and margin. Delivery product means the shares that you are buying has no expiry date. You can keep that shares in your Demat account for whatever period. You can keep it for 2 days, 2 weeks, 1 month or even for 5 years. You can also sell these stocks anytime after 2 days of purchase. Again, you can decide if you want to sell off all your stocks that you purchased or only a part of the stocks. The problem in delivery is that you need to pay the total trade value upfront. Means your account must have fund balance equal to the total trade value to carry out these transactions. Delivery sell orders can be initiated only after you execute delivery buy orders. Means you can sell the shares only when you have it. Second option is intraday. This is the most popular way of trading as you can make higher profits in very short time. At the same time, intraday is most risk involved trade. Here you can carry out a trade for a trade value which is equal to 15 times of available fund in your account. Means if you have 10,000 rupees in your account, a delivery trade can only be happened for maximum of 10,000 rupees. But in intraday trade, if you have 10,000 in your account as balance, you can carry out a trade equivalent to 1,50,000 rupees. That means you don't need to keep 1,50,000 rupees in your account, but you can still do a trade equivalent to a trade value of 1,50,000 rupees. Isn't that really good? One more beauty of intraday trading is that you can sell the stock first and buy the shares when the prices are decreased. Remember, in delivery, you can only sell if you have the stocks in your hand. But in intraday, you can sell the stock first and buy the shares later when the prices are decreased. There are some risk factors as I told you before. Firstly, the validity of your traded stocks is only for 1 day, which means you have to square off all your intraday trading before 3:15 on the same day. Square off means balancing your total buy and total your sell orders to zero. You should not have any balanced stock traded as intraday after 3:15 p.m. in your accounts. If you have any stock left in your account after 3:15 p.m. which is traded as intraday, then your broker will balance it by trading the shares on your behalf at whatever is the market price at that time. We will do another video on intraday trading, then you will be able to understand it in better. In margin product type, you can actually borrow money from your broker to carry out the trades. But broker will again charge you a nominal interest for the money that you have borrowed. So please try to avoid margin products as much as possible. The total trade value can be seen from the bottom of the order window. Click on the buy to initiate the order. This is the quick way to carry out your buy order. Similar way, you can also do a sell order. You just need to remember in buy order, your defined price should be equivalent or lower than the market price, and in sell order, your defined price should be equivalent or higher than market price. Now, if you notice, there is an option of advanced trade. This advanced trade button helps you to customize your order type in such a way that it will help us to minimize our losses if any. We will learn more about advanced trade in our next video. I hope with this video, now you know how to buy or how to sell a stock from your angel broking app. Please practically try to buy or sell a stock from your account to learn. Thank you so much for your support so far. I will be coming back to you with more videos to educate and help you to understand the stock market easily. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends and families. Don't forget to share your feedback and comment below. Till we meet on